In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snagit on a faceless YouTube channel. If you want to create tutorials, demonstrations, or presentation style videos without showing your face, Snagit is a simple and effective tool for the job. It lets you record your screen, capture clear visuals, and export your content in a format that's easy to upload or edit later. Start by opening TechSmith Snagit on your computer. Once the program is open, click the capture button to begin setting up your recording. From there, make sure you select video mode, since you'll be creating a screen recording rather than just taking a still image. Next, choose the area of your screen you want to record. You can capture the full screen or just a specific section, depending on what you want your audience to focus on. If you're making a tutorial, it's often helpful to record only the relevant window so the final video looks cleaner and more professional. Before you start recording, check your recording settings carefully. Turn the webcam off so your face does not appear in the recording. This is the key step for keeping your YouTube channel faceless. Then decide whether you want to record your voice at the same time. If you want live narration, turn the microphone on. If you'd rather add your voiceover later in another editing program, you can leave the microphone off. Once everything is set, click record and begin creating your screen recording. You can walk through your tutorial, presentation, demonstration, or any other type of on-screen content you want to share. Try to move at a steady pace so the recording is easy for viewers to follow, especially if you're explaining a process step by step. When you're finished, click stop to end the recording. Snagit will then open your video in Snagit Editor, where you can clean things up before publishing. Take a moment to trim any unnecessary sections, such as pauses at the beginning, mistakes in the middle, or extra seconds at the end. This helps your video feel more polished and keeps viewers engaged. After editing, save the video as an MP4 file. That format works well for YouTube and for most video editing software. From there, you can either upload the video directly to YouTube or import it into a video editor if you want to add captions, music, transitions, or other finishing touches before publishing. That's how to use Snagit to create simple,